Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a very nice delicious naan bread at home, and I would also show you 4 different ways you can enjoy your naan bread. So let's dive into the video. First, we are going to be mixing some lukewarm water, sugar, and yeast together. Then we would cover that and set aside to prove. While we go ahead to mix some sugar and salt with our flour together and then set that aside. As you can see, our yeast has risen up. It took about 5 to 7 minutes. You can see the beautiful bubbles. So this is what you want before you transfer into your mixture. If you don't get the same results, please discard and remake another one. I'm also going to be adding in Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt always helps to strengthen the gluten network in the dough. It also helps get a very nice brownish naan bread result, and it also adds to the flavor. So do well to add your Greek yogurt as well. I will also add in some vegetable oil, warm water as well, then give that a good mix to combine. Don't worry, the measurement will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. Once the mixture has come together just like this, then you transfer that to your work surface and start kneading with your hands. The kneading process by hand should take about 5 to 10 minutes, and if you're using a mixer, it should take about 2 to 5 minutes. So once that has been achieved, you transfer into a bowl that has some oil. I like to spread the oil as well on top of the dough so it don't stick to the napkin. Cover that and let it rest for about 40 to 1 hour, or until you notice that the dough has doubled in size. Then you deflate that and transfer back to your work surface. Next, you should cut the dough into your preferred sizes. So I did a 10 equal size cutting, but you can do more or less. After cutting, go ahead to sprinkle some flour on the prep area. Then take each of the cutouts, place on the top, and then you sprinkle some flour on top of it. Then use your rolling pin to gently roll out the dough. Next, transfer the dough into your heated pan or pot, but before that, drizzle some vegetable oil on it before you transfer, and then cook that on both sides for about 2 minutes on high heat. Once you achieve this very brownish look, then you take out the naan from the heat immediately. And now our naan breads are ready. So now we have our golden brown, slightly chewy and aromatic naan bread. So let's move over to how we can enjoy naan breads in different way. So into some melted butter, I added in some grated garlic, mix that together to combine, and I'm just going to brush that generously on my naan bread. So you can enjoy your naan bread this way. For the second one, we'll be needing some leaves. So I'm using pumpkin. You can use scent leaf or some parsley, whichever one is fine. I'm just going to finely chop that. After which, I will now transfer into my melted butter and garlic mixture. Then give that a very good mix to combine. If your melted butter is still a bit warm, trust me, it's going to add flavor to that chopped leaf, and that is what you want, okay? You want to perceive the aroma. So spread that on your naan and it is ready. Next is the one I call the healthy version of enjoying naan. So I'll be using some banana. You can use apple or berries, any kind of fruit at all would be fine. Spread some Greek yogurt on that, and then you go ahead to place your fruits, and yeah, this is ready. You can enjoy your naan this way. So the last one will be to spread some sauce on the naan in your baking tray, okay? Then go in with some mozzarella cheese or any kind of cheese at all, and then you just add in any other topping. I'm using some cooked goat's meat for this. You can do you. Then pop that into the oven for about 5 minutes and it is ready. So these are different ways you can enjoy this. I hope you all get to give this a try. Please, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, drop your comments, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll catch you all next time.